Hey guys, so we're here in San Francisco again with Lance Silber, and I just taught him how to ollie up a curb at various different angles, and it was all in preparation for what we will call cruising around on your skateboard.
Hashtag cruising.
Hashtag cruising for a bruising, as my dad would say.
Nope, I hope not.
Anyways, so I'm gonna skate and he's gonna follow me, and he has to do all the same tricks that I do. The thing about skating around is that it gets you really good and very, very comfortable with your board. It actually prepares you to do tricks. You have to dodge cracks, you have to dodge people, you have to dodge cars, you have to ollie up curbs, go around things, and it just gets you comfortable riding your board. So I think it's probably the step that people skip the most, and it's probably the most necessary step to really mastering your skating. Cool, so you ready?
Yeah, I just have one request.
Okay.
Throw in a frontside 180 at some point.
Oh.
But there has to be a flat stretch. Just do it, and that'll be my challenge.
Okay. If you don't land it, I'm gonna punch you in the balls.
I was hoping maybe I was
That's my challenge
buy you
for the
a
day.
pizza, but okay.
No, no.
Fine.
Okay, you ready?
I'm sorry, but it's just the way I am. I'm never stressed over everything is my plan. And if you think you can change that, you're a fool. Living in the moment is my only rule. I don't mean to be an asshole, I don't mean to be cool. If you can make it in time, that would be cool. I might try to do so, but I promise nothing. A free spirit, that's what I am.
I was doing great, and then I kind of lost my balance, and Aaron did a frontside 180 over this trash bag, so we're just gonna do a rewind. And
by trash bag, you mean the thing of throw up on the street?
yeah, so let's do it again.
Okay, now this is going down the hill, so this is like super challenge.
No, let's back it up and come up again.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, come on.
Down the hill.
Come on, no.
Okay, let's ollie it going down, and we'll frontside 180 it coming back.
Okay.
I'm never stressed over everything is my plan. And if you think you can change that, you're a fool. Living in the moment is my only rule. I don't mean to be an asshole, I don't mean to be cruel. If you can make it,
Okay, you ready for your frontside 180? Hashtag skate god.
a free spirit, that's what I am.
Ready? Oh no!
No responsibility. I just do my own thing. And no reliability. Cause I'm okay.
So now you're cruising. I see you broke a little sweat.
Yeah, I mean, that was fun. You know, when I cruise, I normally just either like lift my tail up to go off curbs or stop to go up a curb.
Yeah.
So that just like required me to do some more commitment and ollie up the curbs and off. So that was cool.
Yeah, it's the next level. So
Then we got to that steep part, and I wanted to go fast, but I don't have a mechanism to stop.
yeah.
So I really need to learn those power slides.
Yeah, the power slides are super helpful. Definitely when you're going fast like that. Now the other thing I want to say is, one thing that's very important is watch out for cars,
Yes, of course.
because that could hit you and that might hurt, or even a Jeep. The other thing is you have to watch out for cracks and variations in the pavement. Notice how when we were up there it was super smooth, then we hit this part and it was such a change. It was like nice and smooth. And I was thinking Lance is gonna fall right here for sure, and you didn't.
Nah, I'm kind of used to that. It's more like, okay, we're going really fast and then ollie a curb. That's really hard for me. If we're going slow, I can do the curbs, you know? But once we start going super fast, then, so, you know, I have to practice that.
Okay, cool. Well, I think you got it. That's cruising around. We'll do a little bit of more cruising around, but yeah, for now, I think you got the cruising.
For sure.
Thanks a lot for watching. Definitely get Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1. That covers all of the basics, and then once you're good with that one, 2, 3, 4, and Volume 5. They're all available as iBooks and at BrailleSkateboarding.com. Definitely click subscribe, click that like button, leave a comment below. You guys think Lance should learn next? Quadruple heel flip down 10.
I've already done that before.
Disappear.